conditioning drills. Today we'll be working on sitting on the line and using this soccer ball to work in some conditioning. We're going to get into a straight leg sit on the line. From here, find a dristy point, and we're going to start working the ball around the hips or around the back. Going from left to right, breathing and focusing. This one's challenging because both legs are straight and you just have your arms to balance, but you take those away a little bit as you start using the ball. So I recommend engaging your core as well as settling into the line. Start slow at first and then start to work it up a little bit faster. And then go the other direction. Important to work both sides of the body. Trying to maintain balance, equal muscle structure on each side. After you've gone both ways and tried that a couple times, we're going to go to phase 2. Phase 2 is down around the legs, going underneath and around. And a little tip, I recommend using a smaller ball, such as a soccer ball or a volleyball, not a basketball on this one, because it's a little easier to grab. So going under the legs, one direction a few times, trying to speed it up if you can, and then go the opposite direction. Big breaths. That's phase 2. Moving on to phase 3. We're going to tie those two together. So around the back, under the legs, around the back, under the legs, around the back, under the legs, around the back. Switch directions. Around the back, under the legs, around the back. Remember to breathe, use your dristy, and as you get comfortable, you can start to speed it up. Do a couple around the legs, get fancy with it, start to mix it up, any combination you want. Get clever, get creative, have fun. Till next time, Slackrobats, keep on training.